Your feet are cold, dust on your dress. You're 6 years old. You hold your book like it's a friend. You ask me, when does school begin? Little bird at the window, you are born to climb the sky, but they've boarded up the sunrise, and they say you can't ask why. I press my forehead to yours, try to hide the shame I feel. Little bird at the window, they have turned your wings to steel. You trace the letters on my old hand, names of rivers from another land. I used to sit where you can't go, trade shy smiles, share quiet jokes. Now doors are locked by men with guns. They shout at girls, they glare at sons. One day you ask, can I be a doctor? Fix the babies, help them breathe. I chew my tongue till it tastes of copper. How do I say what they decree? They say your voice must stay inside. They say your dreams must learn to hide. Your eyes fill up, you turn your face, you whisper, am I a disgrace? Years pass slow, like winter rain. Your braids grow long, your hope grows thin. A neighbor's son now earns and learns. You stitch and mend for borrowed coins. You watch the road from behind the lace, count each woman who's left this place. I tuck your hair behind your ear. Remember, love, your mind is clear. Their chains are rust, their rule will fade. I kiss the ink on the cloth you made. Outside, the orders inside.